This is Dr. Tracy. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to tune your violin for your kids or for yourself. First, I would say if you are my student and you want to tune the violin, for the peg part, I would say just wait until your parents to do it. You can tune your violin using the fine tuner here, okay? For the fine tuner, it's very easy to remember. If we are turn it to the clockwise, then we are going to make our sound getting higher. And if we do counterclockwise, then it's getting lower. Next, I'm going to tell you, if you don't have any keyboard or piano at home, what tuning app I would recommend you to get. I use TE Tuner. The reason why I use this tuner is because it's a tuner with metronome tuner, and also you can listen to the sound of the note. So just get a TE Tuner. Now we are going to tune my violin, and I am going to show you using the TE Tuner. First, we are going to use the TE Tuner. You can see in the screen, okay? We are going to have tuner, sound, metronome, this one. Then we will use tuner, the down right hand. There is a transposed C string here. You can make it to 440. When we are doing orchestra, we normally use A equal to 440 Hertz. If that's for the concert, and if we are doing the solo, we would use 442. So now we use 440, which is here. You can type 440 in. Okay, done. Then we are going to tune my violin. I'm going to play the A. You can see the screen, that's minus 20 something, right? Minus 20 something means we need to tune it up. I would use the peg to tune. From here you can see I actually use my left hand to hold the screw tightly. And then for the A string, you are going to looking for when the violin face to you, that's on the right hand upper side. You need to tune the violin using the peg. If you are parents, you can use the peg, and you need to squeeze the peg in. Just a little bit of squeezing. Everything is about experience, so you can just squeeze in a little bit, okay? And then pitch. Oh, when I pitch, it became plus 47, which I know is just too much. Then we can turn it back down, okay, a little bit. However, here I would love to use the fine tuner. So the fine tuner is here, and you can do counterclockwise, tune it, make it lower. Then let's pitch again. Oh, plus 20 something. Then I tune it down. Oh, it's there. Okay, almost there. So we can use the bow to play the string. Wow, it's there. Okay, so if the parents doesn't know how to play the violin, you can just use the bow on the string, and just like whatever I taught in the lesson, you can just drag the bow, and then you can make the sound pretty just by dragging the bow and long note. Okay. Another one is D string. Oh, this is almost just right. Okay, that's minus 9, right? So I just need to tune a bit. Yeah. Okay, for my beginner student, you just need to tune the A and D. If you have extra time, you are welcome to tune the G and E string. And this is the basic tuning way. Another way we can do is you can listen to the sound. So here is A, sound of A. Okay, and this is the sound of D. There's a D below the app. Okay, you can listen to it and then tune it. Okay, A, Whoa, see? It also shows you. I hope this video helps. I'll see you next time.